Hi, welcome to getcalley.com. In this video, we will discuss how you can quickly set up a Calley Teams account in the web panel. Log into the web panel on https://app.getcalley.com using the login email and password of the Calley Team admin. Calley Teams admin is the user who has purchased the Calley Teams subscription. To start using the Calley Teams plan, you need to set up your team. Calley Teams plan has three types of users. First is the team admin, who is the top admin of the account. This is an administrative account and cannot make calls in the system. Second is the team agent, who will be responsible for making calls. The team admin can create these agents from the web panel. Third is a team leader responsible for managing a team of agents. The team administrator can create a team leader account from the web panel and assign team agents for whom you will be responsible. In Calley Teams plan, the first step is to create your teams. The team includes agents as well as team leaders. To create team agents, hover over the team link in the top navigation bar and click Agents. To add a new agent, enter the agent's name, email, mobile number, and set the password. Once done, click on Submit to create a team agent account. If you have already created team leaders in the system, you can choose them from the drop-down. Assigning a team leader to a team agent is not mandatory. As you click Submit, the team agent account is created successfully. A notification email with login credentials is shared with the team agent using the email ID you provided when creating the team agent's account. Calley Teams subscription by default is a pack of 5 agents, but you can have as many as 100 agents under the same subscription. The next step is to create call dispositions that the agents can select at the end of the call. To make them hover over feedbacks, click on Manage Feedbacks on the top navigation bar. In the Calley Autodialer app, call dispositions are categorized into 4 main categories: lead, connected, not connected, and not interested. You can create new dispositions or customize your existing dispositions by entering the heading, selecting the type, providing a description, and then clicking on Submit. Once the dispositions are created, they are available for the team agents to select at the end of the call. You can also see reports on the call dispositions in the web panel. Once the dispositions are created, the next step is to make the calling list. Calley Teams allows you to load leads using Power Import. Using the Power Import feature, you can simultaneously load as many as 100,000 records for distribution into the calling list among your agents. To upload a calling list, hover over the call list and click on Power Import at the top navigation bar. Please ensure the file you upload is a valid CSV, XLS, or XLSX file. Provide a list name. Please ensure there are no special characters like commas or hyphens in the list name. Select the team agent you want to call on the list. Select the lead file you want to upload. Ensure it is a CSV, XLS, or an XLSX file. Once selected, click on Upload File button. As the file is uploaded, you are taken to a page where you can map the column heading in Excel with the desired fields in Calley web panel. Calley will distribute the first 10,000 records instantly while the rest are distributed over the next 15 minutes. On this page, you can map the Excel column headings with the Calley fields. Unlike Calley Personal, which only allows you to map 3 fields, the Calley Teams subscription allows you to map 15 more fields from your uploaded file. 3 fields are mandatory for the mapping: name, phone, and notes. Map first name, phone, and notes for successful import of data. Once the mapping is done, you can click on Import Data. You get a success prompt confirming that the import process has started. As the data is imported successfully, you will be able to see the calling list created in the panel. This is the same list that will be available to your agents in the mobile app to make calls. You can click on the list name to see details of the leads imported. On this page you can see all the leads imported in the calling list you just created along with the assignment done to the team agents. Calley Team web panel setup is now done. You will now need to ask your agents to install the mobile app on your Android or iPhone to make the first call. Details of the calls they make will be updated automatically with the web panel and you can see the reporting for the calls done.